Now I'm heading to have breakfast buffet. I've been so hungry. Alrighty, I'm gonna get some salad. I got salmon, I think cream cheese, cucumbers, pancakes, scrambled eggs, and some bread and whatnot. And then you're gonna have a sausage for sure when you're in Germany. It's quite nice. Got a lot of sun. Almost done. Okay, I'm done with the breakfast and I'm gonna go get ready to go out, and we're heading to the city. I'm going to the city with one of the crew. So yeah, I thought the weather would be warm, but it's kind of cold. It's 10 Celsius. I love the greens, but you know, it's very cold. I kind of miss Dubai already. It's weird. Alrighty, we are in the plaza. Look at that. Guys are doing their day trip, so cute. Thought they put pillars on it, but then turned out it's just painting. Hello, we're at the Marine Plots. Look at this, looks very old. There are many shops, and I don't know what building that is. It looks very antique, like a, yeah, it's called Old Town. That makes sense. It's so windy. Oh, look at that.
It looks like a horror movie.
Yeah, honestly, with all the ghosts.
Cloudy,
Town,
with the
yeah.
cloudy background.
Yeah, strong. Cheese. I want that sofa for my future home. Oh yeah, that one. I'm in TM right now. TM is like CVS, Walgreens. For a flight attendant, you will need a dry shampoo and some stuff, you know. These 3 colors. I think this one a lot.
And I have this one, but it's a little bit pinkish, dark pink.
I see. So yeah, crew are wearing Maybelline a lot and Sephora. We just bought a lot. I think we're going back to the hotel now. But Munich is too beautiful. We couldn't go back to the hotel just yet. I finally found Munich. I thought it was German, but it turned out it's from Switzerland. Okay, where are we going? You want to go back to the
culture?
Yeah, the Golden Arch. Okay, yeah, why not? Oh.
I'm singing. Singing in the rainbow.
안녕하세요. Hi. No, in Korean.
In Korean, what should
안녕. 안녕.
안녕?
하세요.
하세요.
So cute. 안녕하세요.
Friends, YouTube friends. I know her before she became famous. So when she soon future become famous.
Yeah, not yet. At the moment.
Turn the camera.
Cute. He's so cute. So small. We're here again. Let's go. Let's get inside of this castle. I don't know. The tower. We're inside. Very cool. I don't know, it's just like the random space. Oh, I don't speak German, but it's like a stade Marie. Wait, no, I sound like French. Chicken schnitzel. It looks like Harry Potter studio, I guess. But I have no idea what's in here. And what is this place for? Look, there's a lot of paintings on their wall. We're just sitting in the plaza. It was just too cold to sit outside, so we came to this really cute little cafe. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah. No sugar. I don't know why it's so hot. In a mug with the handle.
Yeah, it's glass and it's
It's a glass. It's so
burning
hot. It's burning hot. Yeah. It's good. It's very creamy. And so cute. I'm almost done with our hot chocolate. I got everything I need. I love doing grocery. Seems like that this grocery is pretty big, so let's see what I'm gonna get. There are so many here. I just got some oil, bread, and salt and pepper for spices. I'm gonna check out. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm looking for the cleansing form that I always use. I cannot find it anywhere. So I guess I gotta go back to my hotel. In Germany, just a random taxis, Mercedes, you know, cool. When I came back to the room, I just passed out for a little bit, and then now I'm ready to go back to Dubai.